Good morning, Davenport. I want to take a little time this morning and thank folks for really stepping up and sacrificing during this time of the COVID-19. But first, let's not get complacent, Davenport. We are all sacrificing, and I know it's hard. We all must stay the course for at least the short term, and we don't know when the end is coming, so we need to make sure we follow the guidelines. Make sure we social distance and stay 6 feet apart. Let's not give in to this virus. We do not want this virus to re-engage with our community. We do not want to start another outbreak. So we must end this pandemic by social distancing. So please, Davenport, stay the course for now. But as we tell people to stay home and not go out, we have a lot of people that are sacrificing for you. And I want to take a moment and thank them. Thank you, healthcare workers, hospital workers, doctors, nurses, frontline folks that are taking care of our sick. Thank you, first responders, police, fire, medics who are responding to you. They're doing their job. Again, as we ask people to stay home, they come in, do their job, and take care of you. Thank you, city staff, especially our essential folks who are, again, coming to work every day to make sure that Davenport is there for you. They are leading the way by example. Thank you, grocery store workers, pharmacy techs. Thank you, mask makers and gown sewers. We are calling for PPE, and many in our community are stepping up and helping. Thank you to the small businesses offering carry-out food and curbside assistance. Thank you to our public works employees coming to work every day, fixing our streets, working on the flood like they would do anytime, but especially now during the pandemic. Davenport is doing what you ask us to do. Thank you to especially those fighting the flood right now. Thank you to our military members, the arsenal workers. You are defending us every day. We appreciate it. Thank you to the truck drivers bringing commerce to our grocery stores. To the businesses altering their production to provide personal protection equipment for our hospital and first responders. Thank you to those businesses who have changed what they're doing to do that. Thank you to our teachers for still working, now just in a different environment, but wanting to ensure our students are still learning and becoming those people we know they can. Thank you to our parents for staying home with the little ones and taking care of them, and sometimes being the teachers in response to COVID-19. Thank you to our child care workers for providing care for our essential employees. Thank you to the mental health facilities. Thank you to nonprofits like Humility of Mary, to the Salvation Army for stepping up and working with our homeless. Thank you to all of you that are staying home. Thank you to everyone else that is providing emergency assistance and services during this pandemic. And thank you to everyone who is protecting Davenport. We have provided, once again, the resilience and shown that during tough times, we can fight and beat this pandemic. Let me especially talk about a few folks. Longtime Davenport business, Industrial Technology Corporation on Rockingham Road, showed its innovation and ability to solve a COVID-19 problem for the Davenport Fire Department and the Davenport Police Department. First responders needed hand sanitizer, and Industrial Technology Corporation came through by providing 30 gallons for our first responders. Thank you. Thank you to Grace Engineered Products, a manufacturer of electrical safety products who saw a need for face shields for our medical workers, and within 5 days in March, went from prototype to production and can now produce thousands of face shields per day. Thank you to Sears Seating and manufacturers who manufacture seats for agricultural and industrial equipment, who turned its efforts to making personal protective equipment for our Quad Cities area, Genesis Health Systems, and Unity Point Hospitals. Sears began manufacturing mask covers to help prolong the life of the N95 masks and the isolation gowns to protect staff working with patients in isolation. They have enough materials to produce thousands of gowns and masks, making up to 200 to 500 gowns and masks per day. Also, H&I out of Muscatine provided 1,000 face masks to our first responders so they can provide those to the citizens they come in contact with. And then just a few other folks I want to mention. Argro's House, Atlantic Coca-Cola Bottling, Olympic Euros, Davenport Shooting Club, Cookies and Dreams, What Barbecue and Bar, The Hungry Hobo, Costco, Texas Roadhouse, Lopayas, Firehouse Subs, Signs Now Davenport, Gunchies, Antonella's, Cross Point Baptist Church, Dunn Brothers, and many individuals have all donated to our first responders. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Davenport, we are with you. We will get through this together. We are strong. Davenport is strong. Davenport is resilient. We will defeat this pandemic, this virus, with your sacrifice and help. Please continue to call my office or email me your thoughts. I will call you back. Please call the number on the screen. Stay safe. Remember, follow the CDC guidelines and keep your distance. God bless, and thank you, everyone.